Number 1.
1995 Ford F150, price $9,995, showing 164,000 miles. This truck is powered by a strong 351W V8 engine enhanced with upgraded heads, camshaft, and intake components, delivering impressive performance and reliability. It is equipped with a Holley Sniper EFI conversion and a built 4 or 70W automatic transmission, providing modern drivability and smooth shifting. Finished in a striking red exterior paired with a clean gray interior, this gasoline-powered, two-wheel drive F-150 has been meticulously maintained. The truck stands out with its rust-free body, immaculate interior and exterior condition, and clean title. Its combination of classic styling, tasteful performance upgrades, and outstanding preservation makes it an excellent example of a sought-after Ford pickup that is becoming increasingly difficult to find in this level of condition.
Number 2.
2003 Dodge Ram 1500, price $7,500, powered by a 4.7L V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. Showing 172,000 miles, it has been well cared for and continues to run and drive great. Equipped with a capable 4x4 drivetrain and a factory tow package, this truck is ready for work, hauling, towing, or everyday driving. It also comes with a clean title, adding confidence for its next owner. Finished in a burgundy exterior complemented by a black interior, this quad cab model offers 4 full doors and plenty of room for passengers and cargo. The truck is equipped with cold air conditioning, power windows and locks, and a good set of tires, providing both comfort and convenience. Combining V8 power, 4-wheel drive capability, and practical features, this Dodge Ram 1500 remains a solid and versatile truck that is ready to be driven and enjoyed.
Number 3.
2000 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,500. It has been driven approximately 100,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a white exterior paired with a gray interior and is powered by a 5.3L gasoline engine with 4x4 capability. The vehicle comes with a valid importation document, pedimento, and insurance, along with a clean California title in hand. The engine and transmission are in excellent working condition, and the suspension is solid with no unusual noises or issues. There are no oil leaks, and the truck has been well maintained. It is also equipped with a touchscreen stereo system with voice-enabled audio features, providing a modern entertainment experience. The air conditioning works properly and blows cold air, adding to overall comfort. Overall, this Chevrolet 1500 is presented as a clean, dependable, and mechanically sound truck.
Number 4.
1996 Ford F150, price $8,000, with a reliable 4.9L inline-6 engine, 5-speed manual transmission, and rear-wheel drive. With 135,000 miles, a blue exterior, and tan interior, it has been extensively refreshed with a new bed liner, complete brake and AC systems, spark plugs, ignition coils, rims, suspension components, battery, clutch hydraulics, carpet, lighting, and various bushings and seals. It also comes with a toolbox and a full-size spare wheel that needs a new tire. The truck has been upgraded with Eddie Bauer seats, cruise control, a tachometer, wireless Apple CarPlay/Android Auto, upgraded speakers, and a subwoofer. Known issues include an exhaust that rubs against the frame, a non-functioning front fuel tank, and some frame rust that is considered reasonable for its age. Overall, it is a well-maintained classic F-150 with many new parts and useful modern upgrades.
Number 5.
1976 Ford F-150, price $8,500, powered by a 5.0L V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission and a capable 4WD drivetrain. Finished in green with a beige vinyl interior, the truck maintains its period-correct character, further highlighted by its original radio and classic styling. The odometer shows approximately 3,000 miles on a 5-digit display, and the vehicle comes with a clean title. The truck has been thoughtfully maintained, including the installation of a new gas tank to help ensure reliable operation. Additional features such as power steering provide a more comfortable driving experience, while the vinyl interior preserves its authentic vintage appeal. With its combination of V8 power, automatic transmission, 4-wheel drive capability, and classic presentation, this 1976 Ford F-150 is an attractive option for collectors, enthusiasts, or anyone looking to own a timeless piece of automotive history.
Number 6.
1985 Dodge D150, price $9,000, showing 153,000 miles and equipped with an automatic transmission. Finished in burgundy with a matching burgundy interior, it retains its original character and distinctive 1980s styling. As a prospector short-bed model, it represents an uncommon configuration, as Dodge produced relatively few short-bed trucks during this era, with prospector-equipped examples being even harder to find. The truck runs and drives well, with both the heat and air conditioning functioning properly, and all lights in working order. The body remains solid with no rust-through in the cab corners or rocker panels, though it does show some hail marks on the hood along with minor dents and dings accumulated over years of use. Being over 40 years old, several original rubber components, including window seals and transmission mount bushings, should be replaced, and the lower ball joints require attention. The neutral safety switch is also beginning to fail. Despite these needs, this truck offers a strong foundation for a collector or enthusiast seeking a rare, patina-rich Dodge pickup with solid bones, matching colors, and plenty of classic appeal.
Number 7.
1988 Chevrolet 1500, price $3,999. It has 225,000 miles and is powered by a 4.3L V6 gasoline engine paired with a manual transmission. Finished in red with a matching red interior, this two-wheel drive pickup runs and drives well and comes with a clean title. The truck features manual windows and door locks, and it was originally built without air conditioning or a factory radio. Although the heat and defrost systems work properly, several maintenance and upgrade items have recently been completed, including a new battery, bed cover, tires, fuel tank, fuel pump, fuel filter, and front and rear shocks. The suspension has been lowered approximately 3 inches in the front and 6 inches in the rear, giving the truck a distinctive appearance while retaining the factory rear frame setup with no C-notch installed. Overall, it is a solid and dependable classic pickup that is ready to be enjoyed.
Number 8. 1987 Mazda B2000, price $3,900.
Has 113,000 original miles and is equipped with a 5-speed manual transmission and gasoline engine. Finished in white with a gray interior, it comes with a clean California title, current registration, and a rust-free California body. The truck starts, runs, and drives, but is being sold as a mechanic's special due to a rough idle and the common lifter tick found in older Mazda pickups. Overall, it is very clean inside and out for its age, with only minor wear. A great opportunity to own a classic mini truck with low original miles and a clean title.
Number 9.
1995 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,000, with a 4x4 drivetrain and a reliable 5.7L engine, with 121,000 miles on the odometer. The truck holds a salvage title due to damage to the rear passenger side panel, which is cosmetic in nature. Despite the salvage history, it has successfully passed both smog and safety inspections, and the registration tags are current. Recent maintenance includes the installation of a new rear differential and a new master cylinder, helping ensure dependable performance. Overall, this Chevrolet 1500 offers a solid combination of capability and value, making it a practical choice for work, off-road use, or everyday driving.
Number 10.
1976 Nissan 620, price $5,500. Finished in orange with a black interior, it is powered by a gasoline engine and equipped with a manual transmission. The truck has approximately 300 miles driven since receiving extensive mechanical reconditioning and is currently on DMV non-op status. Extensive work has been completed throughout the vehicle, including a rebuilt cylinder head, rebuilt carburetor, new timing components, refreshed ignition and fuel systems, rebuilt AC compressor, remanufactured alternator, and a fully serviced cooling system with new major components. The brake system has also been comprehensively rebuilt, and driveline components have been refreshed to ensure reliable operation. Riding on custom wheels and accompanied by service receipts, this Datsun 620 offers a rare opportunity to own a mechanically sorted and highly original classic pickup.